Hey guys, please do check our other YouTube channel. The name of the channel is Asian Kids TV 31. YouTube.com/Asian Kids TV 31. Thank you.
The light stopped blinking, so the battery is now fully charged. Alright. Jurassic World. The top, Rhea. The other side. The back. The front. Mercedes-Benz. Alright. The battery is now fully charged, Tulian. The bottom part. And the front again, please. Alright. Jurassic World. Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6. Full function RC. Oh yeah. And I see a T-Rex. Oh yeah. All batteries included. Built-in USB rechargeable battery. The side of the box, Rhea. The other side. The back. Oh yeah. All batteries included. Built-in USB rechargeable battery. A Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6. Yeah. Welcome to Jurassic World, the greatest entertainment destination on Earth. Experience a thrilling adventure beyond imagination in this state-of-the-art wonder where you can interact with living, breathing dinosaurs that roam, swim, and fly. The front of the box again. Alright. There you go. Alright. Alright. There is the SUV or the truck. And then the controller. Alright. The controller. Jurassic World. Can you get the instruction paper inside the box? Open it. Alright. Okay. Let's do this. Let's try it. Okay, turn it on, Mommy Rhea. Alright, put it down on the floor. Alright, let's do this. Go. You know what? I'll do it. Let me try. Hold the camera for me. Okay, Julian. Alright, Julian is now the one who's driving.
So that?
Yeah. How do you do it? How do you drift?
So keep going forward.
Uh-huh.
And you back up, and then that's how you do it.
Oh, okay. You know what, Julian? Whoa, drift. You know what, Julian? DRC Jeep is easier to maneuver. It's easier to drive. Well, this one has 6 wheels, so it's heavier.
Wait, I think I'm going to do
You see, it has 6 wheels.
I'm going to do something.
What?
Wait, I'm going to put something on the back.
Ah, okay.
Look at this tray.
Julian, you were saying something to me a while ago?
Yeah, look at this tray.
Okay. Wow. How did you do it?
I go backwards and then I steer even by going backwards.
Oh. I don't even know how to do it. You're smart.
It's an easy trick.
Yeah? Wow, wow. Drift. So awesome.
I have to show you this trick.
What tricks?
This trick. I mean, this thing.
What the? Hey, it's a Jeep Wrangler.
And then that there.
That is so funny. Hey, the guy. You forgot the guy.
Now I'm gonna do
The
that.
soldier guy.
After that.
Ah!
Nice.
Ooh, yeah. Awesome.
Even after the trailer or something.
Yeah.
The guy is drifting out there.
Where's the guy?
Over there in the trailer.
Oh no! Oh no! The Jeep Wrangler! You hit it! Wow!
Now,
Drifting! Wow! Cool trick, Julian.
look at over the Jeep.
Oh, you hit the robot! And the yellow racing car! Ah! You hit my leg! Ouch! Ouch! Ah! No, disaster!
This thing is strong.
It is strong.
It's a tank.
It's a tank?
Yeah, it's a tank.
Well, you hit Thomas the tank engine. He's a tank.
It's a big tank. Oh yeah. Super speed. Super speed.
Oh, yeah.
It can move the thing.
Yeah. Whoa.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa. How about hitting the Indominus Rex? Wow, cool.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
I did it.
Yeah.
Even through the log. The Great Wall of China.
The Great Wall of China. Yeah, you broke the wall.
Because of the strong.
You broke the wall of China, the Great Wall of China.
Because of the strong tank.
Yeah.
Where's the Boom.
Yeah, get the Indominus T-Rex. Oh no, the Indominus Rex, mommy. Put it in the middle of the floor. Go, go. There's the Indominus Rex. The mightiest dinosaur. Yeah, see, I told you. It's the strongest dinosaur in Jurassic World. The hybrid dinosaur. Ah, yeah, Julian wins.
This thing is so strong. It's like a big tank.
Yeah. That Mercedes-Benz is tough. Oh yeah, a 6x6 truck. Yeah, good job, Julian. You're awesome.
This thing is super strong because I called it the tank.
The tank. Yeah. The Indominus Rex is gone.
It's in solar.
It's deceased.
Bam, 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 bam.
Bang, 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 bang. Alright, awesome. Well, alright, there you have it, kids. I'm going to sign off now. Thank you, Julian. Thank you for showing your awesome skills. Your awesome driving skills. Oh, you hit my foot.
And tattoo.
Yeah.
You said that it's a roof grip.
Yeah.
This thing is a roof.
Alright, kids, I'm signing off.
Yeah.
We are going to see you on the next video. Babu. Ciao. Ah.
It looks like a metal silver looking to me.
A what?
It looks like silver to
It
me.
is silver. You like the paint? Silver?
Yeah.
I like silver.
It's just like in our van. It's that color.
No, just like our car. Our car is silver, just like that.
Look at this. Hey! Stand over the dude. Ah! The dude is racing the wheels. Boom!
Alright, kids, bye. Julian and Maya's outreach program. Food, rubber sleepers, and school supplies were given away to 500 children in Malabon City, Philippines.
Julian and Maya.
Ano daw?
Julian and Maya. Sabihin nyo, thank you Julian and Maya. Sabay-sabay.